descend to the depths. I rescued you from despair, me little camera.
That which we are about to receive, we thank thee, O Lord.
It's on there. Alright, here we go. What I was trying to say before that insufficiently charged battery so rudely interrupted me was that we were off Thanksgiving and the day after because wasn't nothing going on those days. Golly, I'm trying to get this thing off. There we go. Woo, it's cold outside. Everything's frozen. Everything's frozen. But yeah, I was off those 2 days. So it's Saturday and I'm getting some more hours in since this week's gonna be light in regards to the quantity of dollars in my paycheck. Doing what I can do real quick. But yeah, so we're gonna get a backhoe out of the Wylie yard and it's gonna be a good time. So stay tuned. And Pig's grabbing this wheel loader, taking that up to Van Alstyne. So but this thing does run good now. Let those fuel pumps kick on and then yeehaw. Oh, no glass. Go ahead and lift that bucket up. And this one's already up. Go ahead and okay. Alright. Whew. Where's the parking brake at in this bad boy? I reckon it's that one. Yep, I guess right. It's usually the red one. It's usually how that works. Alright, let's get this bad boy in gear. And let's go reverse first, so that I can clear Pig's truck safely. Might go ahead and go around all this stuff, matter of fact. Because it's not wet right now, so I can drive around here safely. Sometimes this place is rather treacherous. Fuel, I got half a tank of fuel, so I can mess around out here for a little bit. Clears that dozer there. That dozer's not gonna be any fun to load because it's got those big things that like to tear up trailers. But shift this bad boy into second gear. Second gear, get it moving a little faster. If you don't know how to drive a stick, you can't steal this stuff. Look at that little pretty baby. That's my baby right there. Brother. to even it up. This here electrical line, this little pigtail here, pick it up out of the well, put it under the mud flap there, and go ahead and make sure that you put it up the back where it goes, where it belongs, so that you can deliver electrical signal from your truck to your trailer to ensure that all of your lights working properly, and make sure everything's dandy here. Oh yeah, looks beautiful, looks beautiful. Now you gotta get the wood out from underneath here, mate. Put it back. I'll put it here for now because I still need to get the chains. I don't want to block them. Put it right there for now. Come down here to your handy dandy fifth wheel puller. Be in that thing. Pull that fifth wheel. Drive forward again just a little bit. But yeah, I like these guys. They keep us busy. These dudes out here in Wylie and Alstyne, they're good dudes. And they've got pretty nice equipment if you're in the region and want to buy or rent anything from a riding lawnmower to a mining dump truck. You know, if it's got a diesel motor and a bucket, they've got it, and you can book it. Book it. Alrighty. Man, this is the only Saturday I've worked for this company where it's not overtime, because I didn't get to work Thursday or Friday, so I had 33 hours as of Wednesday, and hopefully today I get 7. I want to work the whole day, that way I can start to get some kind of overtime action going. I've always had overtime. I haven't had a week without overtime yet. Gotta have overtime. Looks good. Looks splendid. Looks splendid. Okay, one interesting thing I can show you guys actually is part of it's starting to fall off, but I've never seen this before. This is one of those skid plates where it's got this Teflon cover. You see how part of it's falling off. Now I've got to grease that part of it. I just keep grease on it anyway. But that Teflon cover makes it to where you don't actually need to grease your skid plate, you know, or your fifth wheel, because it's some kind of, I don't know, it didn't need grease. I don't know how it works. I'm not a scientist. Don't ask me these questions. But somehow it having Teflon like that prevents it from needing grease. And I thought that was nifty, because I asked my boss about it. I'm gonna lock these axles up because this thing's having a hard time climbing up under this bad boy. Ooh, yeah. Smooth operator. Into the depths. I rescued you from despair, me little camera. Why'd you fall down like that, mate? You little bugger. Can't believe you tried to escape me by falling to your death in the ground, in the dirt, in the mire of the ground. I don't know what I'm saying, I'm sorry. Hey Pig, he does want us to come back so we can work some more today. Yeah, I'm down. We missed out on a lot of money yesterday and Friday, or yesterday and Thursday, so. I'm ready when you are.